Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video about Bitcoin and where I think it's headed. I do think that July, this month, is basically the catalyst for where Bitcoin is going to be dropping to. Either if July closes bearish on my reverse MACD, then 100% I think we are going down to close like around 15 to like 20K for Bitcoin in like the next, I don't know, 200 plus days, so somewhere in Q1 2022. But if July ends up closing bullish on my reverse MACD and we see some sort of switch up to the stronger bull side, I do think we've already made lows here around that 30K ish level, give or take a couple $1,000 up or down. And we are looking for minimum a 3x multiple in the next 200 plus days. So I do think if we end up closing this month bullish, or at least weekend bearish, I do think we're going to see a 3x multiple on Bitcoin, and we're going to see a 90K 200 days from the July close, after the July close. Or at least until we have a buy-in, another like buy-in signal or so or whatever. But yeah, as of right now, June officially closed bearish for the month for Bitcoin, and I am still 100% bearish. I 100% still think it's going to keep going lower. I don't think there's a lot of movement to the upside for right now, like I said. But if July ends up closing, weaker bearish or bearish, then 100% I think we're going to 20K. If July somehow ends up closing on the bullish side, then I think the bottom might be this 30K mark, or at least that what was the lowest point? Somewhere like 28,000, 29,000, like mid 28.5. Yeah, that's basically it. There's really no other prediction of me. I'm leaving July up to be the catalyst for Bitcoin. July bearish, 20K Bitcoin. July bullish, I do see us, basically rallying, or dependent on if we keep that bullish momentum for the next couple months, we might see a 3x minimum multiple from these lows of 30K. So expect a 90K maybe, right? And if I do see signs of stronger bull power this month, then I will keep buying heavy, or I will start buying heavy into Bitcoin as well as other crypto, because we will see a huge run. Again, this is very, very, very dependent on July, and then again, further out months. And I'm only making decisions on either on the end of the month or the beginning of the month. There is no play in the middle. It's basically just kind of gauging to see what's going on. All we're looking at is for month closes. So I'll see you guys later.